To determine the formal charges for each atom in CO2, we'll start with a Lewis structure. After that, we'll use the equation below to find the formal charge for each of the atoms in CO2. So for carbon, we'll look on the periodic table. We see it's in group 4 or 14. It has 4 valence electrons. We'll subtract the non-bonding valence electrons, and the carbon, all of those valence electrons are involved in bonds, so there are no non-bonding. And then we'll subtract the bonding valence electrons. There are 8 valence electrons that are involved in bonds with carbon. We'll divide that by 2. So 4 minus 0 minus 4 is 0. So the formal charge on carbon is 0. And we put that above it in parentheses. So next, let's do the oxygens. Since they're both the same, they're symmetrical, we only need to do one. Oxygen is in group 6 or 16. It has 6 valence electrons. When we look at the non-bonding valence electrons, there are 2 pairs of non-bonding valence electrons. So we have 4 non-bonding valence electrons. And then we have 4 which are involved in chemical bonds, which we'll divide by 2. 6 minus 4 minus 2 is 0. So again, we'll put zeros up here in parentheses. So you can see the formal charges all add up to 0. That makes sense because CO2 is not negative or positive, so it should have a 0 formal charge. And then each of the atoms has a formal charge of 0, which means that this is going to be the best Lewis structure for CO2. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.